Friendship is a strong weapon. It was a hot summer. A lion went to a pool to drink water. Just then, a pig also came there to quench his thirst. Both of them wanted to drink first. They looked each other with bloodshot eyes and attacked each other with so much anger that soon they started bleeding. Feeling tired, both stopped for a while to be fresh. Suddenly they heard the screams of vultures. They saw that a large number of vultures were looking at them with longing eyes. In no time, both the beasts understood that the vultures were waiting for one of them to be killed by the other, so that they might feed on his dead body. So both of them became friends, quenched their thirst, and went away. Thus, their friendship saved their lives.